If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Bye bye, baby, it's been a sweet love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, this feeling I can't change. But please don't take it so badly, 'cause the Lord knows you're to blame. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you'll never change. Oh, and this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change. Won't you fly high, free bird, yeah. Free bird, fly high in the sky. Free bird, fly high in the sky. Free bird, fly high in the sky. Free bird, fly high in the blue sky. Fly high, free bird in the sky. Free bird, fly high in the blue sky. Hope you like that one, Free Bird. Free Bird, good song, good song. Done by the band Lynyrd Skynyrd. Yeah, Lynyrd Skynyrd. If you ever get a chance to watch the movie The Devil's Rejects, check it out. It's a good movie. The ending is super. Now, you had Sid Haig and you had Bob Mosley and Rob Zombie, Sherry Zombie that made the movie. In the end, they go out in a blaze of glory. Now, the state police and troopers got them surrounded on the highway. They all got their cop cars blocked, so the bad guys can't get away. But the bad guys have two choices. Give up peacefully, or go out in a blaze of glory. And I like what they did. They went out in a blaze of glory. Now, you're probably saying, what do you mean, a blaze of glory? You're surrounded by the state troopers and state cops, and they all got their rifles out and their guns pointed at you. Well, here's what they did. The four of them in the car, they were in a convertible with the top down. They said, fuck it, we're not giving up peacefully. We're going to go out in a blaze of glory. Now, blaze of glory means a shootout. Bang, bang, you're dead, you know what I mean? So they do about 80, 90 miles down the highway, and the cops go bang, 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 they're shooting left, right, and center. They shoot at the cops. And they figured, well, we're going to die anyhow. Let's go out in a blaze of glory. That's what I would have done too. I would have went out in a blaze of glory. Wouldn't just give up peacefully. So they give up in a shootout. That's how they give up. The cops have to shoot them all dead. And they take a few of them with them. And a blaze of glory. That's at the end of the movie in a shootout. So, it's a good movie. You have to check it out, The Devil's Rejects. Now, come by the Dennis Ramsay paintings. I live at 27 Canaan Avenue, Council, Apartment B, Nova Scotia, Canada. Yellow house, white trim. Apartment B upstairs. Door in on the left. Please subscribe and push the red button now. Share the 10,000 films of Dennis Ramsay with your friends, family, acquaintances, and associates or whatever. You can share them with your enemies, I don't care, as long as they subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. I need 5 or 10 million subscribers, or 1 billion subscribers would be nice, so YouTube can cut me a check. The Devil's Rejects, they all go out in a blaze of glory. The cops are going to kill them anyhow, so why not take a few of them with you? They're going to get you anyhow. So they go out in a blaze of glory. They shoot the cops shoot them all dead. They figured, well, fuck it, I'm going to take a few with me. You know. It is what it is. Sunny and Kempful today. Beautiful day. Get outdoors, enjoy your summer. Take care, peace out, folks. Don't forget, push that red subscribe button now. Subscribe to the Dennis Ramsay YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I'll tell you what makes that song Freebird so damn long. Is the last part of it is guitar playing, and they play about 4 minutes of guitar. That's what makes the song like 9 minutes long. Know what I mean? Peace out, folks. Have a nice day.